Hello. In today's video, we'll discuss why your PlayStation might be blinking a green light and how to fix it. Let's get started. The most likely cause of a blinking green light on your PlayStation is a power supply problem. Issues with the power supply or its associated parts can cause the console to blink green instead of displaying a steady light. In some cases, the PlayStation may also fail to turn on. Here's what you can do to fix it. First, inspect the power cord and the AV cable for any visible signs of damage. If you find any damage, replace these components immediately. Ensure that the console is plugged directly into a power outlet without using any power strips or surge protectors that might cause issues. Next, use a multimeter to test the AC adapter. The adapter should output 7.5 volts DC. If the output is incorrect, you may need to replace the AC adapter. Another potential cause of the blinking green light is a damaged main board. The main board or motherboard is responsible for connecting the electrical components of the device and facilitating their communication. If there is an issue with the motherboard, your PlayStation may malfunction and exhibit a blinking green light. To address this, you will need to unscrew and open the console. Check that the motherboard's cables are properly connected. Look for any signs of damage, such as a burning odor or visibly burnt parts. If you notice any damage, it is advisable to seek the help of a PlayStation expert to replace the main board. Thank you for watching. Until next time.